Okay, guys. Today, Limushi is going to show us how to make YouTube short on PC. This is legit, okay? Okay, Limushi, show us.
Good morning, brother man. Today I'll show you how to create YouTube short. Here we go now. First, you refresh.
Okay.
Refresh for 1 hour. No, I'm just joking. You need this application called Clip Chat. You can install it under Microsoft Store. God damn it. Eh, it's not launching. There you go.
What is the app called again, brother man?
This application called Clip Chat.
Oh, is that free or how much it is?
Free, free of charges. But if you want to donate something on my bank account, just do it. Much obliged.
The
I can
PayPal.
give you my PayPal account.
Oh, look at that. So many contents.
So
Okay, go,
you
go.
can see here, you can just click create new video there, and you just go to import media.
Okay.
Not media who put like reports like kabooms, not that. There
Okay.
you go. So you can see it's preparing. You can just put it here. There, as you can see, it's still full screen, right?
Okay.
But when you click this one, fill, or this one, 16, 19, let's make it 916.
Oh.
Alright, that's already eligible for YouTube Short.
Oh.
But if you want to show it on full screen like your phone, just click this one, then fill. Here you go. I
Oh.
can also play the video. You
Oh.
can watch my character being cursed.
Being
Look at that.
cursed. What
If
do you
the game
mean?
wants to kill your character, look at this. See?
Ooh.
My character's been beaten by the zombies. And now I'm dead. Look at that. Uh, look at that.
Still alive. Still alive.
I'm not alive. I'm already beaten. If you get beaten by zombie, you'll become zombie.
Mm.
Yeah, see, the zombies are also jumping. They're also Spider-Mans. So as you can see, you can already create this one as YouTube Shorts, but if you want to put some sound effects like words, you also need to use one of the Microsoft tools. This one, OneNote. Not Banot, OneNote. As you can see, I typed something. I will never create this character again. You can just view this one and click Immersive Reader.
Okay.
Immersive Reader will give you a narrator like this one.
We can't hear it, man. We can't hear it.
God damn it, they can't hear it.
It's okay. It's okay. I will never recreate this character again. So basically, it works like a what do you call this? Reddit.
You
Yes, reader.
you can change the voice, female or male. You can also change the speed if you wanna go like Eminem. Just use 2.5.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
But
Okay.
yeah, you can just go to Turtle one. See Turtle one. Okay.
What is the other side for turtle, man? Can you check that one? What
Other
is?
side,
Yes. Yes.
tur
If what is that?
that's a rabbit.
Oh, rabbit. Just like the
Rabbit.
story, man.
Yes. Rabbit is faster than turtle.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. So if you want to import like these words, because if you just use like this one recorder, voice recorder up on your PC, no, you will not get a good quality. This application sucks,
Oh.
especially if you're using a low type processor or version of your PC. So what you need is a radioactive material called plutonium, then we're going to upgrade our PC. We're gonna do rocket science. No, I'm just kidding. Just do this one. You have your OBS studio, you can just start recording. Here you go. Immersive reader. Then play the shit. Then just stop this one. You already have your recording. And it will follow up. See, that's nice. You
What
already
is
see
that?
what my
Bald
stars looks
eagle,
like.
man. Can you show us the bald eagle one?
This one is the bald eagle. You know, it is a jersey designed by me for basketball. Bald eagle.
Who is that guy? Who is that guy?
It's Wally Boldiola. All right. So now we are gonna go to some videos that I have. So this one is the one we recently recorded. Can you hear that or no?
Yes, I cannot hear that one because, you're sharing like the
Oh,
entire screen. But yeah, yeah. Since you're going to upload it, it's fine.
so now it's here. You can just put it right here, and you can just put this one on the audio. Right? You can cut the words if you wanted to. And yes, you can probably put it where you want. You can put it on your ass as well if you wanted
Mm.
to.
Oh.
Then you can just play this one because it will not show on the screen.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. So now that's how you make YouTube Shorts. You just need to export the video itself, and that's how you do it. So now you can go ahead and go pack yourselves, everybody. Have a nice day. Call me Borat. Talk to you
Okay.
all. Yeah, ganun lang.
Gago
That's
yung
how you
ginawa mo
do it.
pala dyan, boy. Di ba? Pero pinull screen mo pa yan. Paano yun, yung ginawa mo dyan? Di ba parang sinagad mo, yung finit mo pa? Di ba shorts? Yan. Tapos,
This one, you just need to click the
oh, teka,
picture.
teka lang, brother man. Someone is calling, Derby.